Pepsi once said you could win a fighter jet. And one guy actually tried. In a 90s ad, Pepsi joked, collect 7 million points, get a Harrier jet. They didn't add just kidding. John Leonard raised $700,000, mailed in his points, and demanded the jet. Pepsi refused. So he sued. The court sided with Pepsi, but the world sided with Leonard. Moral: always read the fine print. Or don't. Want more wild lawsuits? Subscribe or follow. Law Mode on. Next, whatever happened to the guy who tried to get a fighter jet from Pepsi?